Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I want to show you how you can easily change the steering wheel on your BMW E39 5 Series. All right, so let's talk about the why here really quickly. So there's a lot of different ways of doing this and a lot of different reasons to do this. Maybe your existing OEM steering wheel is all beaten up. Maybe you want to upgrade to something different. Maybe you want to change to another OEM steering wheel. And so doing this is really not all that hard. You just have to be really careful about it. One of the first things you absolutely want to do is unplug your battery. So you're going to be working with your airbag this whole time. You know, keep in mind it's a mild explosive. It's an electrically controlled explosive, right? So always pull the negative post on your battery. Now in an E39, all you have to do is pull out the bottom of your trunk space, pull that out, set it aside. You'll see your battery exposed right there. Lift the cover, 10mm nut, and you can pull the ground post off, and then you're good to go there. So there's a couple of different ways of doing this. Now, one of the first things that we're going to be looking at is that the E39 steering wheel is a little bit different than a lot of the other steering wheels out there. Now, this one in particular is an OEM E46. Now, to get these off and get the airbag off first, normally what you do is you have to press in a tool through the side and press on this little retaining spring, pressing it inward, which releases the clip on one side of the airbag, and then you do it on the other, and then the airbag would come out. Now, on the E39, it's entirely different and a little bit unusual. They actually have it's either T27 or T30 Torx bolts that are actually in very similar positions to these on either side of the stocks on the back that you have to come at from an angle. But you actually have Torx bolts securing down the airbag. So what we need to do is take those out first, and then we can gently start to lift out the airbag. So I want to show that to you.